Hello, everyone. My name is Norbert Frankenbauer. I bring to you NeoBanka. It's a decentralized order book system based on a P2P model. There is no bridge and there is no liquidity pool anywhere. Just pure order matching with an offline order matching system and an on-chain settlement system on Hedera blockchain. It's also cross-chain, meaning the same contracts can be deployed to any chain, and we can have the same functionality where each chain can actually have some, order matching done and trade be made. This is our pitch deck, and um, let me give you a background of the whole point and reason why we actually built the system. So in Africa, there has been like some European influences that have been able to control finance, which has actually put the um, currencies in our regions very in jeopardy right now, and these are controlled by basically banks. Right now, with Hedera, we have a system where we put the power to actually you know have currencies, to trade currencies and to actually have currencies without the need for banks on chain. And this is done by the introductions of many African countries having their own stable coin systems. For example, USDT, that's ZAR and CNGN, all on chain currently. So without further ado, let's jump into the demo of this product. So currently, I'm going to try to do a same chain trade, but before that, let me go through the layout. This is the other panel that shows the currencies of each of the currencies that we support here on NeoBanka. This is the wallet showing the wallet balance and the escrows on that contract currently. And then this is the charts showing H bar USDT. This is the panel for trading. And then this is the order history that shows history of all orders. And this is the order book itself. Here's an activity panel that gives us detail of what's actually happening on the platform. The platform is very, very simple. We have cross chain terminal and trading terminal. On the trading terminal, you can do same chain trades, and this is actually how it's done. We place a trade. Order has been submitted. Now we place a trade with another account. That's another trader placing a trade, but this time a counter trade. Now order has been placed and settled on chain, and you can see it's reflected here. And if you take a look at the order history, you can see that a new transaction has been added. We can open it up and check it on Hashcan, and here we can see the order transaction and the function being called settle same chain trade on the smart contract. Awesome. We move on to the cross-chain trade. It's also similar, but this time we're doing it on a different network, which is a poly on Ethereum. So we place an order. It has its own order book too. So we place an order. An order has been placed. You can see it here. So we place a counter order. You use another account to place a counter order. This time we place it on the opposing chain to match what the user wants. This is a P2P model. We need to make sure that the user have the tokens are matching. So we place a sell. So the best order is going to be matched with this current order that I put right now. So if you're paying attention, you notice that the order that was put has been totally failed because we put an equivalent matching order of opposite spectrum. And then you can also, if you notice, if you're paying attention, you'll notice that a new trade executed order has been added with the source on Sepolia, which you can see here, and the destination. So the transaction that was done on Hedera. So we can see this was done recently. Trade settlements, settle cross chain trade on the smart contract to do this.